is trading the market in the main DOM, and to the top right hand corner is the main correlation that the trader is using. If we look at the correlation, we can see that the last print is 30.20 and that is actually the high of the session. So the correlation is trading up at the high of the session, which means it must be trading on a bit of an uptick. So if we watch the trades, we're just going to have a look at how we establish where value is. First thing we see are a couple of small trades at 00. They don't tell us where value is, but the 20 lot that prints at 00 is a good sign that 00 is where value is. Another 15 lot trades, another sign of value. 6 lot prints as well at 00. If we have a look at the correlation, it's still printing -1, -2 on the day, so it's still pretty much unchanged around the high of the session. 00's print more and go bid, but notice that 00 is still value. Correlation still -1, -2, which means it's still trading at the highs of the session. A 1 lot prints at 25 and now a 2 lot, but that doesn't mean that value has changed yet. Double O goes off it again. 00 is still value. Of course, the trader also is looking at the bids and offers. Can he trade here? That's another input in value. There's 87 on the bid, 154 on the offer. Given the volumes that we've seen with some 20 lots and 15s and so forth, 87 definitely is going to be fine to get a reasonable fill. 154 is possibly going to be okay. It's one of those that you'd have to have a little bit more information and more experience on, but it might be okay. Now the 8 lot and 5 lot value is here definitely 00. In this situation, with 83 by 139 is probably decent size in order to get a reasonably quick fill. If the correlation ticked higher, the trader would be able to place a bid at 75 and would be technically buying below value. So if the correlation ticked up, that's what we would be looking to do. It's a little bit slow here. Traders have to be careful here with no trades for a few seconds. Notice how the pace has dropped. If you had an order in at this time, you would want to pull it because it's dropped too much. We need to wait for the action to improve. Just a few 1 lot trades going on. They don't tell us anything more, but that 20 lot, that tells us again that 00 is value. You can see the trader's arrow. He's thinking about joining the bid. There's just 54 note on the bid, 118 on the offer, so possible to get a quick entry and exit. Value's 00. Traders thinking of buying 75s because that would be buying below value. Another 13 lot trades on the offer of 00. Definitely 00's is value here. And putting a 75 bid below would definitely look like a decent opportunity. And I'd say notice again that there's only 54 lots on that bid. So a lot of people, most people haven't realized this, that buying 75s would be buying below value. The trader's cursor is showing that the trader is thinking about putting that bid there, just hasn't pulled the trigger yet. Probably wants to see the correlation tick a little bit higher. Notice how the bid is increasing. Other people are seeing now that 75s would be a decent place to buy. Another 10 lot trades value, and then a 50 lot value, definitely 00 and goes bid. And notice at the same time The correlation makes a new high and moves to unchanged on the day. So now double O's, though, notice is still value. The trader now puts his bid in. He's a little bit late on that one, but notice that. So, but all we're watching is what's the correlation doing? What's our market trading? It's been trading double O's, so double O is value. And that's how in a slow market we can judge value.